Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video. On Sui, wanted to do an update here, and I also wanted to ask you, I've been covering Sui daily now, I think for the last week or so. I wanted to know if you're still interested in that. The situation for Sui, according to my analysis and according to my predictions, is going to be a little bit more stable here, a little bit less parabolic as we've been in the last 2 months. So then some updates, I will just not have anything new to say, right? So if you're interested in daily updates, I can keep making them. And I do think it's needed as well today, right? So today there are some things that I do want to talk about regarding what I expect from Sui and just in general an update. But let me know if you'd like daily updates to continue, or if you say, well, once every 2 days is fine as well if the price is going to be a little bit more stable. Because purely technically, I would say what I said yesterday is still 100% correct, right? And the day before as well. Because what I said is that I expect some sort of a pullback into some sort of into a range or consolidation lower, which I think we have found so far. And then I expect us to consolidate there and kind of lay low for a bit, whereas we've been very bullish for a majority of the time, like I said, in the last 2 months. At some point of time, it's also just healthy and normal that the bullish momentum stops. But no, what you can see right now is that the volume is dropping down quite a bit lower. So that's one indication that I do think will hold this consolidation for now. Yesterday we actually got some nice bullish momentum, or overnight actually we got some nice bullish momentum, but we also got rejected at 2.15. So that's another technical confirmation that I do think we're going to consolidate a bit instead of trending up. And then the momentum down here is just is also a bit lower and more stable. And then fundamentally, I think fundamentally Sui is still doing great. So I do expect bullish continuation eventually. Because if you look at the DEX trading volumes, those are ridiculously high still. Total value locked is still hovering around the all-time high. Daily transactions, daily active addresses cannot be trusted either way on Sui because they're very manipulated. So no, fundamentally I'm still bullish on Sui, even though we did get some FUD around the team selling, etc. I'm not sure if there's truth to that, but yesterday we already briefly talked about it, and there's probably selling going on, right? Because they have to get some money from somewhere to fund all the marketing that they're doing. So no, purely technically, like I said, the situation is still the same. I would say right now we are mostly consolidating between 2.15, maybe a bit higher, and then this major support level right here between 1.9 and 1.95. I don't expect this consolidation range to break yet, so I neither see a bullish breakout or a bearish breakout. I do think we can have some sort of a spike down if we actually get a deeper pullback from Bitcoin here. I do think Sui can spike down to 1.8 and 1.75. For me, that's a great buy area, right? Especially 1.75 is ridiculously strong, but that whole area between 1.8 and 1.75 is very strong. So I do think we can drop down there, but I don't think that we will stay down here. So I think we'll be able to reclaim the range up here for now, all right? Maybe if the situation changes for Bitcoin, I'll change my mind and I'll say that it's likely that we'll consolidate a bit lower, or that the consolidation range shifts a bit lower from the current range it's in. But that's not the situation right now, and that's also, Sui has lost some momentum and volume here, but it's still not very weak technically. So those are my thoughts. That's what I would expect for now. If anything changes, I'll let you know. Like I said, let me know if you'd want these daily updates to continue. But for now, that's what I think you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.